In my last video, I spoke a little bit about ways in which we can integrate audio scripts into flipped learning and then into what actually happens in the classroom. Another very popular thing that lots of teachers have been experimenting more with, particularly during lockdown, during the year of COVID-19, is integrating more video into the classroom. And I think with video, maybe the best thing to do is to sort of link it across lessons. So maybe at the end of one lesson, you prepare students for the viewing of the video that they're going to do at home. Maybe you have a little warmer or a little discussion to generate some interest. Maybe connected to that, you pre-teach some of the vocabulary, or you give students a handout with some of the vocabulary that they're going to encounter in the video. You then ask them to watch the video at home. You make it available for them, either on a platform like YouTube or as a kind of downloadable thing that you send to them, or something they can view through their devices at home. You set some kind of task or some kind of activity. It could be 2 or 3-fold, this activity. There could be a basic comprehension check. There could be a little bit of vocabulary work. And you could then ask them to think about some kind of response for a discussion, or maybe even a presentation where they present something connected to what they've got out of the video. Then in class next time, you link into this. You begin by saying, okay, let's talk about the video that you lot watched for your homework. Okay, you can then discuss it, explore it, exploit some of the language, get students to do presentations, etc. In the same way, you could also encourage students to use things like Google Earth or Google Maps to create their own little mini presentations, maybe filmed in advance of the class, that link in to things that you're going to be talking about in class. So if you're doing, for example, a unit on travel, that presents a perfect opportunity for this kind of thing.